I'm going to give a tour of our balcony room on Adventure of the Seas leaving out of San Juan, Puerto Rico. This is StateRoom 6322. This is just a lot of storage space for pretty much your luggage and our hanging clothes. We haven't unpacked yet, so that's why I want to film this before we unpack all of our clothes. In here, you do have a hair dryer and Kleenex. TV is a 20-inch, around 20 inches, and down here is the mini refrigerator. Above the TV, there is a safe, and over here is just a makeup mirror. There's storage on the sides as well, and on this side as well. The only outlets there really is in the room is these two. I tried getting a power strip of outlets on the boat, but it was confiscated because it's a fire hazard. Here is the bathroom. So you have storage over here on this side. Toilets here in the corner. Then you have a small shower here in this corner. So that's all there is to the bathroom. And a small couch here. We've got a wine and fruit basket, as well as some crackers. Go out onto the balcony, show the view from there. So on the balcony they give you 2 chairs and a table. And it's nighttime right now. We're just about to leave port. It's about 8 o'clock. So should be pushing off anytime now. Yeah, there's the whole view of the stateroom. We went on Adventure of the Seas last year, and it's not really comparable to Adventures of the Seas, but this boat is about 16 years older than Adventure of the Seas. They have did some renovations and updates, but most of that has not been really focused on the staterooms. It's been on other areas of the deck. So yeah, that is my tour of the balcony stateroom on Adventure of the Seas.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.